Hey friends, if the touchpad driver is not showing up in the device manager of your system and the touchpad is not working, then here's what you can do. First of all, search for device manager, open the device manager, click on view, select show hidden devices. Does it help? If not, then click on action and then click on this mice and other pointing devices, click on action and scan for hardware changes. If this does not help, then simply go and search for Intel touchpad drivers if you're using an Intel computer, AMD touchpad drivers if you're using an AMD chip, and then you can go and download the drivers from the Intel website. Wait, I'll show you how. Touchpad in this list. Let it load. Okay, and then you can select the appropriate kit. Or you can also search for your brand name and then download the brand touchpad drivers. I usually prefer that. Okay, so you can search Google instead. Yeah, and you can download the touchpad drivers by your entering your model name. The pointing device drivers are the touchpad drivers, Asus Precision touchpad drivers. Download it and then click on open. That's it. It will install by itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.